And today we are going to see if a land leveler might be the right tool for you to use with your skid steer. So this land leveler is a Titan. I bought it online. Derette had their own land leveler, but it was twice the price of this one. I paid about $450 for this one, and it was sent right to my house. The difference between this one and some others is, one, you bolt it on together, so it comes in 2 boxes. They forgot to include the bolts, so I had to buy those separately. Just so you know, that cost me an extra $40. But I wanted to get it to use, so I didn't even bother contacting the company. But just so you know, it wasn't wrapped real great, but it's a big piece of metal, so it's not like they were going to hurt it in shipping. So I'm working on a big project here, and I have a lot of dirt to spread out, and I want it to be level and kind of ready for seed when I'm done. So what we're going to do today is just figure out if that implement is really the best implement to do this. I could have bought a Harley rake, but they're about $3 grand, and I'm not sure I would use it much more than I'm going to do right now, so I didn't want to invest the money in it. This land leveler, I think I can use a lot. I got a lot of low spots in the yard I can fill in over the years, and so I think the investment on this one was worth it, but we're going to find out if it actually does what it says it does, which is get this ground level and ready for seed. So let's go ahead and turn it on and put it to use, and we'll see if it's worth the hype. So I put the float on, and once the float is engaged, it really does a nice job just smoothing it out at whatever level the arms will fall to. So the beauty of that land leveler is you just dump a load of dirt, and then it takes care of getting it, you know, smooth and flat with the rest of the lawn. So any dips you have, you can take care of those. So I have a little bit more to do over here, but you can see it just does a nice job of dragging and evenly distributing your dirt so that it fills in the low spots and cuts out the high spots. The other side benefit of it is it takes all the debris out of your ground and piles it up. So I'll rake this up and throw that away, but rocks, things like that. So you get a nice smooth surface in order for you to plant your seed. I'll just take you around here on what I did in this short amount of time that I was on it and show you that it just does a nice job. I'm going to bring a couple more loads of dirt down here. I need some more to fill in some of these low spots, but it does a fantastic job of just putting that final grade on before you seed. So if you were thinking about grabbing a land leveler, you might want to consider getting one. Again, I got the Titan, doesn't matter what kind you get. They're all over the place. You can get them at the auctions. You can buy brand name, but this is a worthwhile piece of equipment to get. And I was skeptical if it would do what I thought it would do, but it works great. So the verdict is, if you're doing yard work and you want to level out your ground and you want to make quick work of it, get a land leveler. This thing was definitely worth the money. So please like and subscribe if you like the content I'm putting out. And if you may be interested in owning a skid steer like this Derette, I'm going to link to my review of the Derette 7 months after I purchased it, and you can make a decision on whether you think that's a skid steer you might like to buy. So thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Jeff with the Jeffscavator channel, and are you digging or are you filling?